that we've all been waiting for. All right, so he needs, as I've said time and again, y'all have already given him so much love that he needs no introduction. So I won't say any further. He, as I've said, is a force of nature. What he does, no one, and I repeat, no one can do. Please welcome Tiger Shroff. Tiger, come right in between the girls where you're meant to be. All right, so I'm going to ask everyone one question before I open it up to all of you in the house. Puneet, what does it feel like?
To be honest, I'm too excited. I'm too excited. I think the film's turned out really well.
Oh, that's nice to hear from you.
I have to keep.
Lovely. I love that you gave the feedback for yourself. That's wonderful.
I have to. To be honest, I was very nervous when we started. I was working with Tiger for the first time. When I met him first, I thought he's going to punch me. Baghi had just released then. I met Tara and Ananya again, and they were really, really young kids who had come out of school. So I felt like a school teacher with them. But I just loved the energy that came on set eventually, how we all came together. And I think that's really translated for whatever it's worth.
That's great. Puneet, young people like you and me really need to make films just like this. But you've done a terrific job. And thank you for all the hard work you've put into the franchise.
Thank you, Karan.
Tara, gorgeous, gorgeous, stunning Tara. This is your introduction into the movies. Firstly, welcome to the movies. And what does the moment feel like today?
Honestly, Karan, this moment feels surreal. The last year has been surreal. But today, guys, did you like the trailer? This has been the best day of my life. Thank you so much, Karan. I'm so excited.
All right, lovely. And we're very excited to have you in the film, and we look forward to lots more work in the company and see you shine everywhere.
Thank you.
Ananya, I can't believe that I'm seeing you on stage. Like, I feel like I'm getting all kinds of daddy feelings here because I've literally seen Ananya play in this little garden at Mannat, running around with the other kids, with Aryan and Suhana and everybody else. And now she's here looking beautiful and a lead actress in this film. What is it feeling like, Ananya?
It feels like a dream. I've seen so many interviews of other people at their trailer launches, and I've just like, I can't imagine that I'm here, and this feels so weird, like everyone's like this during trailer launches, and it's actually like that, so I just have no words. I'm just too excited. I hope you all enjoyed the trailer.
They are enjoying. They're enjoying as we speak, and Tiger, we saved the best for the last. Tiger, like I said, that you know, you're so strong in your skill set and everything you do. When you face the camera, it's like you were born for it. And today when you see yourself up there, what does it feel like with all the love coming your way as well?
First of all, you know, I want to thank all of you for, you know, giving me so much more than I deserve. So thank you all for the love. And it's because of you that, you know, I have the strength to fly. So thank you so much for being my strength. It feels, I truly don't believe that I was born for this. I've really put in a lot of effort, and you know, I credit it all to the people I work with, my team. For example, in this case, you and Puneet, and of course the dynamic duo over here. So it's a huge team effort, and I'm very, very grateful that I've got this opportunity to finally work with Dharma. It's my first film, and what better film than Student of the Year to start off my collaboration with you. So,
all right, Tiger.
I love you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Now that's Tiger saying all the right things. Now we've got to get some wrong things out of him as well, okay? That's our endeavor today, which I tried very hard on 2 seasons of my show. I managed a little bit on the 2nd season because he was squeezed between these 2 wonderful girls. And was that a good feeling, Tiger, before I open it up the house? What was their dynamic like in your life? Such a serious thought before such a...
No, it was genuinely, I had a lot of fun. I felt like I wasn't working with I wasn't working with 2 newcomers. They're just so, you know.
Who was more fun?
Who was more fun? Both of them have their, you know, moments.
Which
glory.
moment with who did you like the most?
Puneet, you want to answer this for me? I need some help.
Puneet
enjoy
has
the
had his
moment,
fair
yeah?
share of moments, but with with other people. We won't talk about Puneet.
Yeah, that's not fair. Tiger enjoyed the moment. He should answer this.
All right, we won't put him on the spot anymore. I think if he blushes anymore, it'll look like he look one big tomato. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and members of the media, I'm going to open the questions to all of you. Here we have the producers, the director, and the wonderful lead cast of Student of the Year.
अनन्या एंड
Hi.
तारा
Hi.
Yes, ma'am.
अनन्या एंड तारा आपके राइट में हाय सबसे पहले तो आज का दिन कितना खास है आप लोगों के लिए एंड इस दिन का कितना बेसब्री से इंतजार था अनन्या एंड तारा जी
Firstly, I just want to thank the media and all the photographers. You have been so kind to me and so warm towards me. So thank you so much. And this day, honestly, it's like a dream. I still feel like I'm going to wake up in the morning and like, I don't know, this is not going to be real. So this is very, very, very surreal for me. And I'm just too grateful to Karan and to Puneet and I just have...
As long as you keep coming out of airports and gyms, the photographers and members of the media will be very kind to you. Don't worry about it. Just keep that exit going. All right,
Tara ji?
Tara.
No, I think like Ananya said, हम सब के लिए today has been so special. बहुत ही खास दिन है हम सब के लिए. We're very excited. I'm so happy to see the reaction of everyone to the trailer, and we're just so excited for the film. So thank you guys so much for coming out today. It means the world.
एंड टाइगर जी बहुत ही अच्छा ट्रेलर है लेकिन जब भी कोई लड़की आपको प्रिंसेस बुलाती है तो क्या फीलिंग होती है
देखो मुझे तो आदत है बचपन से मैं मेरी बहन के साथ बहुत झगड़ता था तो she used to bully me in these ways, so yeah, it's not the first time.
Yeah, Tiger, this side. Tiger, this
Sorry,
side.
कहाँ पर
Yeah.
मैम?
Yeah, इधर.
Yeah, hi.
मेरा प्रश्न ये है कि इस तरीके की जो मतलब क्योंकि लोगों ने स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर पहला सीरीज देखा, ये दूसरा है, तो इसमें एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है कि आपको उससे इसको और भी बेटर करना है. तो आपने उसको कैसे किया और क्या आपकी तरफ से क्या तैयारियां थी?
देखो बेटर तो मैं कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहूँगा. हम लोग एक अलग पिक्चर बनाए ऑल टुगेदर. आई थिंक यू विल हैव द फ्लेवर्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर वन डेफिनेटली, बट टू ऐड टू दैट आई हैव डन माय बेस्ट टू ब्रिंग इन व्हाट people know me for, and I've sort of gotten little tigerism to my character, and I'm very thankful to Puneet who gave me a lot of scope to express myself in that manner. And इस film में अगर आपने trailer में note किया तो the sports that we have are very different. We're introducing kabaddi, I think, for the first time on celluloid in Bollywood. So I think that's a very interesting world. Thank you, thank you. So yeah, that's all.
Hi everyone, Bhavna this side from Zee on your left. Hi, very cool trailer. हाँ, congratulations. Usually जब हम सुपरस्टार्स की फिल्म सिंगल स्क्रीन पे देखने जाते हैं तो डायलॉग्स नहीं सुनाई देते थैंक्स टू विसल एंड हूटिंग, और वो ये ट्रेलर में हुआ. इतना एक्सपेक्ट किया था आप लोगों ने? हाउ इज दिस फीलिंग?
Who are you asking, ma'am?
All of us.
Three of you.
डायलॉग किसने बोले थे? तुमने मैक्सिमम तुम नहीं बोले थे, तुम ही जवाब दे दो. मेरे डायलॉग पे कोई तालियां नहीं बजती.
Well, it's a fantastic feeling. Again, I'd like to credit the makers for that. It was Puneet's brainchild, and this line "Din tera tha, saal mera hoga" was stemmed from him. So thank you, Puneet sir, for giving me that
I
dialogue.
also want to tell you the film is co-directed by Tiger. So,
Yeah, so I wanted to get
Yeah.
to that, ma'am. Can I just take
So
a
do not-
question in as
do
well?
not believe all
so
of this.
I just want to know behind this, and I'm going to ask the girls and Puneet this, behind this good boy visage, what's really ticking? Ananya.
it's the biggest scam. It's
Yeah,
the biggest
he's a
scam.
It's the
Karan,
biggest scam.
Karan,
It's a scam. Let the girls answer. हाँ, क्या है ये good boy? एकदम सच्चाई है, reality है? इसके
सच्चाई
पीछे
नहीं
क्या
है,
राज
इसके पीछे काफी चीजें हैं जो मतलब ये दिखाता नहीं है.
एक सेकंड.
Please,
आपको क्या लगता है? आपको लगता है ये झूठ है?
You can't do that. That's
Thank
not,
you,
that's
thank
not
you, I
fair.
love you guys.
That's not fair. That's not fair.
हाँ, आप बोलिए.
He is very sweet, I would say that, but he is also very naughty. I think if you leave him with his boys,
The
then he's
biggest
like,
brat in Student of the Year is Tiger Shroff.
Puneet Malhotra.
Karan,
हाँ जी.
in Coffee with Karan episode, we saw their chemistry, girls' chemistry, but there were a lot about Puneet also, but he was not there. What was it? Tigers and Puneet chemistry.
Tiger and Puneet की
We
chemistry.
share a very, very good
They have
relationship.
there is romance between the three of them. There's bromance there. So it's a full kind of bromance meets romance on set and behind the scenes happening. When you see the film, you'll get the vibe as to what I mean. And I think this is the first time Tiger worked with a director that was closer to his age bracket, I think.
Younger.
And
A lot of you guys don't know Puneet sir was actually an actor. He came to be a hero before he became a director. So
And if you notice, there is full sarcasm on this face when he says it.
No,
Which
really,
you're not
आपके
catching.
तो
serious
कई बार
ads
ऐसा
on
होता
YouTube.
था कि every time we give our shots there's a rehearsal before the take. So Puneet sir used to stand in for me and give my shots alongside. अगर romantic scene होता था तो
Not the romantic scenes,
या
no.
अनन्या के सामने he used to perform and then I used to come in and do the take.
And apparently he took very long in the rehearsals, is it true?
Took quite a few takes for the
Okay,
rehearsals.
all right,
yeah.
okay. Yeah.
Tiger, you're left. Tiger, मेरा आपसे सवाल है. Hi.
हाँ जी, hi.
First of all, congratulations to all of you for the fantastic trailer. मेरा आपसे सवाल ये, you are the newest student of the batch. मतलब इस franchise को अगर हम batch की तरह बोले.
All three of us.
Yeah, all three of us. So मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि अगर पिछले बैच से अगर वरुण और सिद्धार्थ के साथ आपको कंपटीशन करना पड़े तो कौन से ऐसे वो खेल होंगे जिसमें आप उनके साथ compete करना चाहोगे, आप challenge करना चाहोगे? And you can't be like कि I can't compete with them. You have to say
Why can't he be?
अरे
किसने बनाए
अरे
rule?
he is the fittest of all the students.
ये अच्छा, you can't be.
अरे
I
he
mean,
is the
आप
fittest
judge हो कहीं
student.
के?
Sir, he is the fittest student. Come on.
I think Tiger had a bit of a advantage in this case actually. Varun and Sid together could romance one girl and he could romance two.
Yeah.
So that was a big one.
Yeah, but about sports, kabaddi,
Yeah, but he's
running,
saying who would you like to take on?
Which sport? I
कोई
think
भी
No,
sport, yeah.
who? Which one of them would you
Which
like to
one
take
and
on?
which sport also?
हाँ, अच्छा, okay.
I'd like to take on Varun in probably the dance competition and the athletics. Or I think Siddharth would be a good challenge if he was there for kabaddi.
Okay.
Because he's tall and athletic. Yeah.
जी. तारा मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि करण सर ने
Thanks, guys.
करण सर ने अभी कहा तारा that you have a very good voice, you sing very well. So अगर आपका competition अगर student के साथ तो पिछली student आलिया के साथ in the matter of singing, so what do you want to say about it?
I don't think we can compete. She sings beautifully in Hindi, and I'd love to sing with her one day, though. That I would love to do.
And we're going to, before we end, we are going to make Tara sing. That goes without saying. But yes, moving on.
Puneet,
हाँ जी.
you're left. Rahul here from the फिल्मी चर्चा. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये था कि स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर की फर्स्ट सीरीज जब बनी थी, 2 एक्टर के लिए आपने 1 एक्ट्रेस रखा था, और अभी एक एक्टर के पीछे 2 एक्ट्रेस है, तो आपको नहीं लगता कि वरुण धवन और सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा आपसे नाराजगी जताएंगे?
ऐसा यूनिक सवाल मैंने कभी लाइफ में नहीं सुना है. इससे बहुत यूनिक सवाल मैंने, वो भैया
बताइए सर.
वो नाराजगी क्यों
सिर्फ
जताएंगे?
ये
आप
कहना
बताइए.
चाहूँगा कि एक एक्टर के पीछे दोनों लड़कियां नहीं हैं, तीनों साथ में हैं, और ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं. I think those students are only supporting us, and all of them have been very, very sweet. Hopefully you'll see you may see them in the film, maybe.
और टाइगर आपसे ये सवाल था कि इंडस्ट्री में आते ही आपने हीरोपंती की, फिर आप बागी बने, फिर जाके फ्लाइंग जेट में आप उड़ने की कोशिश किया आपने, फिर मुन्ना माइकल में गर्लफ्रेंड के लिए लड़ाई किया आपने, अब जाके स्टूडेंट बने. आपको नहीं लगता रिवर्स गियर लगा है, स्टूडेंट अब जाके बने?
शायद फ्लाइंग जेट के बाद थोड़ा जमीन में आना पड़ा मुझे तो.
हेलो मेरा सवाल करण जी से है. करण जौहर यहाँ पे
कहाँ है? हाँ जी, हाँ जी मैम.
ये जो फर्स्ट फिल्म थी स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर, इसके सारे गाने बहुत हिट थे, और आपका एक और फिल्म का गाना काफ़ी अभी तक बज रहा है, गणपति का जो सॉन्ग है, देवा हो देवा श्री गणेशा सॉन्ग आपका आज तक बजता है. तो मुझे ये पूछना था कि सेकंड में जो मतलब पुरानी फिल्म का गाना लेने के बजाय अगर आप अपना ही कोई हिट सॉन्ग देते, अपना मतलब ओरिजिनल, तो ओरिजिनलिटी.
मैम ये था कि हमारा एक टशन था, अगर आपको याद है कि स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर का जो पहला गाना था वो गाना था डिस्को दीवाने. वो भी एक रीमिक्स ही था, एक गाना जो मुझे बेहद पसंद था, जो 80s का बहुत पॉपुलर डिस्को गाना था. तो मैंने जो पुनीत को कहा कि ये टशन हमें रिपीट करना चाहिए कि जो हमारा पहला गाना हो एक ऐसा गाना हो जिसमें एक रेट्रो वाली फीलिंग हो. एंड माई फेवरेट रेट्रो सॉन्ग एवर इज ये जवानी है दीवानी. एंड आई हैव टू थैंक यूनिवर्सल म्यूजिक जिन्होंने बहुत हमारी सहायता की, हमें इसके राइट्स देने में बहुत मदद की. दे रियली सपोर्टेड अस अलॉन्ग विद ऑफ कोर्स आवर म्यूजिक लेबल जी म्यूजिक. तो इसीलिए हमने सोचा था कि ये हर स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर में जब भी हम बनाएंगे तो पहला गाना एक रेट्रो वाला गाना होगा.